Okay, so on question 1 on the view sheet G, series and sequences, we've got to write down the first 5 terms of the following sequences. So question 1a, we've been told that the nth term is 3 to the power n minus 1. So the first term, n is 1, so we're putting something in 1, so we've got 3 to the power 1 minus 1, which is 3 to the power 0, anything to 0 is 1. Then if we substitute in n is 2, we've got 3 to the power 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1, so 3 to the power 1 is 3. If we substitute n is 3, we've got 3 to the power 3 minus 1 is 2, and 3 squared is 9. If we substitute in 4, we've got 3 to the power of 4 minus 1, which is 3. 3 cubed 27. And lastly, for the fifth term, if we substitute in n is 5, we've got 3 to the power 4, which is 81. So there are our first 5 terms. So we can just stop. We've got 1, 3, 9, 27, 81, and so on. At that point, we're done. Okay, for question 1b, we've been given that the nth term is negative 1 to the power of n times by 1 over n squared. So likewise, for the first term, we substitute n equals 1. We've got minus 1 all to the power 1 times by 1 over 1 squared. So here, negative 1 to the power of 1 is just negative 1. 1 squared is 1, so 1 divided by 1 is 1. So we've got negative 1. For the second term, we substitute n is 2, so we've got negative 1 squared times by 1 over 2 squared. Negative 1 squared is 1, and then 2 squared is 4, so we've got a quarter there, so we've got a quarter. So the third term, we're substituted in n equals 3, so we've got negative 1 cubed times 1 over 3 squared. So negative 1 cubed is negative 1. You can see the powers alternating here, negative 1, 1, negative 1. 3 squared is 9, so we've got 1 over 9, so we've got negative 9. So you might be able to predict even what's the next term. So the fourth one, we'll put in n equals 4, so we've got negative 1 to the power 4 times by 1 over 4 squared. Negative 1 to positive power is 1, and 4 squared is 16, so we've got times by 1/16. So we've got a 16th. And then the fifth term, which I can't quite fit on, I'm going to write over here. So we've got the fifth term substituted in n is 5. We've got negative 1 to the power 5 times by 1 over 5 squared. So negative 1 to an odd power is negative 1 times by, there we've got 5 squared is 25. So we've got negative 1 over 25. So our solution here for all of this thing here, the first you are finished, we can write down the start sequence. We've got negative 1, a quarter, negative a ninth, a 16th, negative 1/25, and so on. And we're done.